Mastering English Idioms. Understanding Shiver with Fear. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into the world of idioms, those quirky expressions that can be so puzzling to learners. Specifically, we're going to explore what it means to shiver with fear. So, sit tight, and let's unravel this phrase together. When someone says they shiver with fear, they're describing a very strong emotional reaction. Imagine being so scared that your body literally starts to shake. That's what this phrase captures. It's not just about feeling afraid. It's about being so terrified that it shows in your physical reactions. The phrase, shiver with fear, taps into a universal human experience. Since ancient times, people have noticed that extreme fear can make a person tremble or shiver. This idiom vividly describes that physical sensation, linking the emotional state of fear with the physical state of shivering. Using this phrase in your daily conversations can add a dramatic flair. Here are some examples. 1. When she heard the strange noise in the dark, she shivered with fear. 2. The thought of speaking in front of a huge crowd makes me shiver with fear. 3. He was shivering with fear as he waited for the results of the test. Remember, this phrase is best used in situations where there's a strong, intense fear, not just a mild worry. There are other ways to express the concept of being extremely scared. For instance, frozen with fear, too scared to move or react. Petrified, so frightened that one is unable to move or think. Feel free to use these alternatives to add variety to your conversations or writing. And that's a wrap on Shiver with Fear. Now you know that when someone is shivering with fear, they are experiencing a deep, intense form of fright. We hope this video helps you understand and use this expression confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and remember, learning English is a journey, so enjoy every step. See you in the next video.